Good day and hi. We from Group 2 would like to present on our innovation product in warehouse management. Our innovation product in warehouse management is robotics and automation.
Hi, my name is AZIM EFFENDI and my metric number is A20F2320, and I am going to talk about the industry overview, opportunity analysis, customer analysis, and also the critical risk. Okay, firstly, for the industry overview, you can see the warehouse is one of the most significant components in the logistics service industry. So, when implementing smart warehousing, it allows warehouse managers to react swiftly to possible outcomes. And also with smart warehouses, when you see that they are capable to adapt to various business model, that enough to conduct commercial operations. So with automation and robotics, usually help to improve efficiency, speed, reliability, accuracy, and ultimately the cost of operations. So as a summary, we can see that warehouse management seeks to improve efficiency and accuracy while reducing the or lowering the overall cost. Next is the opportunity analysis. So, warehousing is the second largest contributor to Malaysia logistics business. They contribute billions of ringgit Malaysia in 2018. So, we can see that Southeast Asian e-commerce industry is going to explode, especially in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and many more. And with the fast expansion, notably in Malaysia, it has resulted in a number of positive impacts. And we can see that the worldwide warehousing industry is booming. According to statistics, the sector is going to grow by 6% to 8%. So companies will seek to use new automated robot assistant technologies to decrease expenses even further. So we can see that there will be huge opportunity for smart automation warehouse in the future. Besides that, we are going to talk about the competitor analysis. So we have three companies that we see that also did smart warehousing, which is the Oracle, Fishbowl, and also Mantis. So they have their own benefits and for their systems, but we as a company, we want to strive and improve better systems than our competitors. Okay, last but not least is the critical risk in doing warehousing. Okay, first we have six main risks, which is cyber attacks, where we can see that in smart automation, tablets are handy and allow rapid access, so hackers are more keen to hack. So and then there's a diversion because with technology, there's an issue where staff and also new staff and old staff need to learn everything from scratch because of the new system. And there is also regarding the warehouse, which is fire, flood, warehouse condition, and also the equipment failure. So these are some of the risks that need to be considered when doing smart warehousing.
Hi, my name is Punitha. My matrix number is A20A20F. Now I'm going to explain about marketing plan overview. An operational document summaries and advertising that including situation analysis, sales forecast to reach its target. For next is promotion planning. In marketing plan, we have to make promotion planning to provide current promotion and advertising to reach our target market. For next is detailed cost. Implementing robotics and automation in warehouse management is used to increase the efficiency and effectiveness, and also the productivity. For the approach is we have to provide quality service and product to customer to fulfill customer needs and wants.
Hi, my name is Muhamad AMARULAMIZI bin RAHIM. My numeric A20A1480. For my part is customer analysis. In customer analysis, we identify the target customer, reason to buy, customer purchasing power, and customer needs. In our target customer is consists of large firm that use ICT system in warehouse management. Why the customer to buy is because it help them customer to reduce the risk damage of goods in warehouse management. For customer purchasing power, the customer make his parent and his company influencer also purchase our products. And the last is customer needs. Customer can improve warehouse activity, let handling and controlling all each other in warehouse activities. For the next part is pricing strategy. As you can see at the screen, you can see the table of the costs involved in pricing strategy. For products such here is dynamic pricing because we want to boost our sales. For planning and strategy for 2021-2024, we have planning for effective 2021. We pick the price is same as the machine markets. 2022 to increase price, but at the same time we can get raw material from supplier. 2023 we will be increased because entry level is high, and the last is 2034 to give some discount to our customer because we need again more customer. The next part is distribution strategy. As you can see at the screen, you can see the table of cost involved in distribution strategy. The way sell product in our customer is we pre-order with land carrier and using direct distribution. The reason we using the distribution because it can eliminate the high markup and cost. For planning and strategy 2021 to 2024 for distribution is 2021 we still using same direct channel distribution. 2022 to give some discount to regular customer. 2023 to improve material warehouse, and the last 2024 we start using transportation type air and water. For next part is marketing communication. As you can see at the slide, you can see the cost involved marketing communication with the tables. The way give information to our customer is direct selling because we can build relationship with them. Planning and strategy 2031 to 2024 we plan efficiently, which 2031 company use direct selling with small scales. 2032 make big scale in public relation and events. 2033 make a blogger side business with serve the robotic products, and the last 2024 organize event with collaboration with the other logistics company.
My name is NURAIN NABILA binti KELANE. My number metric card is 820A1807. First is sales forecast. Sales forecast is the technique of anticipating revenue. Second, the schedule shows our company acquirers. In the first year, the minimum price to be marketed and sold to customers. In fact, in 2022, 2023, and 2024, it shows a very high increase in customers and make our sales budget increase from year to year. Net market forecast. First, it forecasts the size further and trends of target market in future. The predicted number of prospective clients is separated into parts in conventional study. Second, always think about the market calculations, know our competitions, and the price of our company's product with other competing companies. Third, there are two important characteristics that we need to be sensitive to, which are first, the attractiveness of the segment. Second, that is in accordance with the objective, vision, mission, and mission company.
For the next part is product design and development plan overview. As we know that the principle of material handling in a warehouse defined as the principle of safety, planning principle, simplification principle, gravity principle, and equipment selection principle. Each of the principles have different purpose and to ensure the cargo would be easier to handle. For product service innovation, we have to implement robotics and automation in warehouse. For current distribution channels, which is the common areas that concern for warehouse manager in warehouse are put away accuracy, picking accuracy, inventory accuracy, and shipping accuracy. All of these are able to control the quality and performance of a warehouse. For the next is current packaging. Current packaging means that we have to manage the product and the cargo with effectiveness method.
Product design and development. First, robotic. Automation is the key to grow. Second, robots are unquestionably quicker and more precious than humans. Third, can reach more objective and exchange your percentage of on-time delivery if you can load, sort, and pack merchandise faster. Then, there are three main types of robotic produced by our company, including three types robotic. First, automated guard vehicle (AGV). Second, autonomous mobile robots (AMR). Third, automated storage and retrieval system (ARRS). Next, product or service design and development timeline. First, requirement management. Second, analysis. Third, project planning. Fourth, software development. 5, quality assurance. 6, user acceptance testing. 7, application change. 8, application deployment. 9, maintenance.
I'm Punitha Balakrishnan, matrix number 820A1911. Today, I would like to present on 3.3 the product features and characteristics. There are 7 types of features in robotics and automotions. First of all is rich analytical suite. Rich analytical suite is used as a feature because it discovered the performance of the robot workforce and it enables the users to track the operations. The secondly is security. The security feature is important in robotics and automotions since it is ensure the legitimacy of historical record compliance and assures internal security and maintain compliance with industry regulations. Thirdly is source control. This source control feature will enable the secure storage of each version of a process in progress, and it enables the developers like us to determine and examine the difference between versions of a certain process to discover what has changed actually. Then is the hosting and deployment option. This feature will attract the most customers for its scalability and flexibility, and it compromises an agentless configuration and proactively eliminate the central server synchronization problems. Moreover, reforming is a kind of feature that can be identified in robotics and automotion. It will allow the dynamic interaction while reforming and allows changing variable values to test different scenarios without start and stop the running. Then is scriptless automation. This scriptless automation will reduce the amount of end code writing and it lower the initial cost of installation and the training as well as deployment. Lastly is actionable intelligence. This feature will able to gain and apply knowledge as skills, and it transforms the information into actionable intelligence for the end user, or else as known as a customers. However, there are 4 types of characteristics that can be identified in robotics and automotion. First of all is cost effectiveness. This cost effectiveness can be identified through the increase in production at lower cost produces obvious benefits for our company. Secondly is this robotic and automotion will eventually work in hazardless environment. Automated robots can minimize material waste and remove the needs for humans to put themselves at unnecessary risk. Then is this robotics and automation in warehouse management could improve the quality assurance by eliminates the risk by accurately producing and checking items meet the required standard without fail. Lastly, this robotic and automation will increase the productivity since work in other areas that create a better environment which the business as a whole will benefit from. And with higher energy levels and more focus put into staff's works, The product can only improve and also lead the extremely satisfied clients. Thank you.
Growth plan. First, growth plan is a roadmap for a company's future growth over the following 1 to 2 years. Second, first stage growth plan is to set business goals that will cut the company in the right way. Third, growth plan are fundamentally strategic in that they are only focused on generating revenue. For the for our company's product in the future, first is open more refinery branch in every corner in Malaysia. 5. Second is to expand my company robotic product and service throughout Malaysia, including Sabah and Sarawak.